Tired of struggling with stubborn grill residue and greasy grates? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best grill brushes on the market that'll make cleaning your grill faster, safer, and easier than ever. From stainless steel bristles to bristle-free designs, I'll walk you through which ones truly deliver that spotless shine. And of course, I'll be real about the pros and cons so you know exactly what's worth your money. Let's fire up the grill and dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick, Grill Rescue BBQ Replaceable Cleaning Head. If you're looking for a safer, smarter way to clean your grill, this is a standout choice. Pros: no metal bristles, so you don't risk wire fragments in your food, and the aramid fiber pad is heat-resistant up to about 600 degrees Fahrenheit, making it great for hot grill cleaning with steam. The replaceable head also keeps things hygienic and long-lasting. Con: it doesn't always remove heavy baked-on grime as quickly as traditional wire brushes, and the price is noticeably higher than basic models. The cleaning pad also takes a bit of effort when used for the first few times. If you're serious about grill safety and willing to spend a bit more, this is a smart pick. Number 2. My second best pick, Horsepower Giddy Up Grill Cleaner. I recently tried the Horsepower Giddy Up Grill Cleaner, and it definitely makes post-BBQ cleanup a lot easier. The cordless and rechargeable design is super convenient. No more dragging cords around the patio. The 350 RPM stainless steel roller does a solid job removing grease and burnt residue, and the built-in LED light helps you see every spot, even at night. It feels sturdy and well-made, which I appreciate for the price. However, the roller can struggle a bit with heavy caked-on grime, so some manual scrubbing might still be needed. Overall, it's a practical, time-saving tool for regular grill users who want a quick and efficient clean. Number 3. My third best pick, Grill Art Grill Brush Bristle Free. The Grill Art Grill Brush Bristle Free is a solid choice for anyone who wants a safe and efficient grill cleaner. I really like that it's bristle-free. No more worrying about stray metal wires ending up in food. The steam cleaning feature works surprisingly well when the grill is hot, and the replaceable cleaning head makes it more cost-effective over time. It fits comfortably in hand and feels sturdy, even after several uses. The scraper edge is great for tackling stubborn residue, though it takes a bit of effort on very tough spots. Overall, it's a durable, safe, and practical cleaning tool that every grill owner should consider. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Traeger Grills Barbecue Cleaning Brush. I recently used the Traeger BAC 537 Barbecue Cleaning Brush and found it to be a solid accessory for grill upkeep. The teakwood handle feels premium and comfortable, and the dual grip design gives good leverage when scrubbing the grates. The stainless steel scraper edge and nylon bristles are gentle enough to not damage coated surfaces, which is a major plus. On the downside, the nylon bristles are only really effective when the grill is cool. If you try cleaning immediately after cooking, they may soften or melt. If you're fine waiting until things cool down, this brush works well. Just don't expect it to tackle hot grate messes. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Kona 360 Clean Grill Brush. I recently used the Kona 360 Clean Grill Brush and found it a strong pick for maintaining a clean grill. The long 18-inch handle keeps my hands safely away from heat, and its robust stainless steel triple head design cleared off stuck-on grime across 3 grate bars in one swipe. The build feels rigid and durable, which gives confidence for regular use. On the downside, while it tackles big bits well, some light grease or sauce residue still needed a follow-through wipe. Not quite 30 seconds and done every time. If you want a serious tool for regular heavy use, this brush delivers. For light touch-ups, it might be a bit more than needed. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite grill brushes on the market? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you
like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.